In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dress color in Affinity Photo. If you've ever taken a fantastic picture only to wish the dress was in a different color, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk you through it step by step, so let's dive in. Firstly, let's get started by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Choose the photo containing the dress you're looking to recolor. Once you've got your image on the screen, the next step is to select the dress area itself. You'll want to use the Selection Brush tool to paint over the dress. A handy tip here is to turn on the Snap to Edges feature. This useful tool will make it much easier for you to accurately select the edges of the cloth, adhering closely to the contours of the dress. Having made a rough selection, the next thing you should do is click on Refine, which you'll find in the Context toolbar. This feature is invaluable as it aids in smoothing and fine-tuning the edges of your selection, ensuring everything looks neat and precise. Now that you have the dress selected, it's time to add an adjustment layer for the color change. Depending on the effect you want, there are a couple of adjustment layers you can experiment with. One of the most straightforward and commonly used methods is the HSL, or Hue, Saturation Lightness Adjustment. To add this, go to the Adjustments panel and select New Adjustment Layer, HSL. Once you've done this, the Hue slider allows you to shift the base color of the dress, effectively changing its color. If you want to make the color more vibrant or tone it down, use the Saturation adjustment. Likewise, the Luminosity slider will help you tweak the dress's brightness to your liking. Because you've selected a specific area, the adjustment layer is cleverly masked to affect only the dress area, leaving the rest of the image untouched. This means you can confidently make adjustments without worrying about altering other parts of the photo. Another option you might consider is the Recolor adjustment layer. This provides an alternative approach for tinting the dress. It also includes sliders for hue, saturation, and lightness, offering you additional creative control. Keep in mind, though, that this might alter some details like shadows or texture more noticeably, giving a pure color replacement effect. Lastly, for those of you dealing with a dress color that has a lot of variations like reds or yellows, the selective color adjustment can be particularly useful. After making your selection, this adjustment allows you to tweak specific color ranges with precision, offering a higher level of detail and customization. And there you have it. That's how you change the color of a dress in Affinity Photo. With these tools and techniques at your disposal, you can let your creativity run wild, giving the outfits in your images a whole new look. Happy editing!